In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share a post on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then just search for a post you would like to share. Let it be that one. Once you find a post you would like to share, scroll down a bit until you find this share feature right over here. Tap on it. From here we can, just by tapping at share now, immediately share this post to our Facebook profile page. However, we can also configure where we would like to share this post. By default it is set to feed, however we can tap on it and then we can switch it to friends timeline, group, or we can pick out any of our Facebook pages. Also, we can configure privacy settings for that shared post. If we tap right here, we'll be able to switch it to public, friends, friends accept, specific friends, or only me, like in my case. Also, we can comment on this shared post. We can enter any text here, and once we are done with that, to share this post, just tap at that button. Then, if we go to our profile page, we can find that post here.